Hello and good afternoon to all of you. We welcome you to our EFSUMB and WFUMB webinar on multiparametric ultrasound of the pancreas, and with the name A Glimpse into Future. And we hope that we will present you some new things beside the old messages on endoscopic and transabdominal ultrasound of the pancreas. We have an international faculty. The chair of this session is Professor Adrian Saftoiu, together with me. My name is Christian Jensen from Germany, and we have two further lecturers from Romania, but now in Greece. I have heard Alina Popescu, professor from Timișoara, and Professor Mirko Donofrio from Verona, but he is now at another place in Italy, but has joined us to give a lecture on fusion imaging. And we will change a little bit our order of lectures, because he has later on MRI examination, and therefore we will change that. We start with transabdominal ultrasound and then go to fusion imaging with Mirko Donofrio. Some of you will not know what is to be understood by multiparametric ultrasound imaging. This term was introduced into discussion by our former president of EFSUMB, Professor Paul Situ, and he introduced this term to make clear that ultrasound is not only gray image, not only beam mode, but we have several tools in our ultrasound machines to describe, for example, physical properties of tissues and, of course, vascularity of tissue, not only using Doppler techniques, but also contrast-enhanced ultrasound. We can use now artificial intelligence to describe the various properties of tissues and fuse all our information with artificial intelligence. And we will hear of that by Professor Adrian Saftoiu. Of course, we have the fusion with other imaging tools, and we can perform ultrasound-guided biopsy. And this is a list of some of and most of these techniques we have joined in the term multiparametric ultrasound. And this starts, of course, with grayscale ultrasound, but goes beyond that to contrast-enhanced ultrasound, to the two different techniques of elastography, and ends now, but will not end in future, with artificial intelligence. And therefore, EFSUMB has started in these days a new guideline project on multiparametric ultrasound, and we will describe in 5 guidelines multiparametric ultrasound techniques to describe focal liver lesions and liver parenchyma, of course, pancreas, and 3 small part topics: breast, testis, and thyroid. But now we go back to pancreas, and I invite Professor Alina Popescu to give her lecture on multiparametric transabdominal ultrasound of the pancreas. Please, Alina.